Welcome to Clean Carnivore, where we keep health simple, clean, and rooted in truth. Every video here is built on careful research, personally authored for this channel, and enhanced with images that make the message easier to see and understand. AI tools help bring the visuals to life, but the ideas, the words, and the care are always human. Here's the truth. The number on the scale is the least of my benefits. The real victory is mental health.
Oops, hold on. If you enjoy this content, please smash the like button. Click to subscribe now and ding the bell, so you won't miss any coming attractions. It really helps grow small channels like ours.
For years, I battled depression, suicidal thoughts, and a brain so foggy I could barely think straight. Once I flipped the switch to an all-meat diet, the depression and brain fog vanished. What replaced them was something called mental clarity, a calm, focused mind I hadn't felt since I was 20. It's not something you can fully describe. You have to experience it yourself. The second biggest benefit, energy. I go to bed early, but I wake up even earlier, 3 or 4 in the morning, starting my day in peace with a clear mind. My pre-diabetes? Gone. I dodged the bullet of daily medication and needles. My doctor couldn't argue with my results, even if he tried to sneak a statin into my regimen. I refused it. I went from 8 daily meds to just 2, a thyroid pill and a blood thinner. My heart, once enlarged, is now normal. My cardiologist, who watched my transformation firsthand, even joked about trying the carnivore diet himself. Inflammation and joint pain are now minor annoyances. Even my toenail fungus and gum disease have improved, starved of their sugar source. I'm telling you all this because I'm just a regular guy. I've beaten addiction, food, sugar, even dopamine. Think about this. What you've been told is a lack of willpower is really just the wrong fuel. Dopamine is as addictive as any drug, and when you switch fuels, you break free. I'm free. And now I want to reach out to anyone who's sick and tired of being sick and tired. If you're ready to get out from depression, anxiety, brain fog, autoimmune disease, or the jaws of heart attack and stroke, I want to help. I want to encourage you, listen to you, and walk with you. Maybe today is your light bulb moment. Maybe today is the day the lies fall away. Maybe today is the day the guilt finally lifts off your shoulders. Need clarification? Want to share your story? Drop a comment below. This is your safe place. Let's walk this journey together. I am committed to fresh, engaging, and provocative content. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday by 6 a.m. Pacific Time. Bonus content will appear on odd days, so check back frequently in case you might have missed something.